Thank you for tuning in, y'all, as we learn this wonderful language of Garifuna. Today, I wanted to share an interesting fact that I discovered while learning this wonderful language. The letter O is Gararati in Garifuna, and the letter 0, coincidentally, is Gararaguati. So Gararat and Gararaguat are two very similar words, and they apply to obviously the letter O and the number 0, which are obviously very similar. And it's just an interesting fact I wanted to share. Oh, and in my mind, Gararaguat and Gararat means something that turns around, which obviously is an O or a 0. And Gararaguat, in my mind, says that it has the ability to turn around, or it's able to turn around. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy this content. Stay tuned for more. And until the next lesson, Sareme, ayo.